Hey everybody, Chris here at Bayside Lighting Design Center, and we are going to do some unboxing of display items today. First one up on taps is this Livex outdoor piece. So let's see what we have and see how the packaging is. Some literature. We have candle sleeves. Let's get down to the meat and potatoes of this fixture. Seems to be packed well. Seems to be packed really well. Now folks, most of Livex series are solid brass underneath. And this one definitely is. It's got a good feel to it, good texture. The solid brass pieces will hold up better in our area, the coastal areas. It's definitely a traditional lantern, but you have to mix it up, the contemporary with traditional. You want a nice variety to go on the floor. So that's it. They put a lot of packing in here. Let's get that out. Oops. And might have mentioned this is my first unboxing. So this is the first go round here. And there you have it. Nice watery glass. Come see us at Bayside Lighting Design Center and you'll meet this guy right here.